Well, hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info Systems LLP. And today we are back with another useful video on connecting MongoDB with Node.js. So let's move to it. Before starting with the coding, make sure that you have Node.js and MongoDB set up in your system. For your reference, you can access to this blog and can easily set up your Node.js and MongoDB in your system. Before moving on to the code, I would like to show you MongoDB Compass. This tool will let you see everything visually. This is the URL for my local server and I will connect to it. As you can see, I am not connected and these are all the databases that are present in my system. Moving on with the code. This is my index.js file where I will write all my Node.js code for connecting with MongoDB. So I will first initialize the MongoDB by writing const Mongo client require MongoDB. So this is how you require MongoDB and set up the driver for the Node.js in your system. Next would be my URL. Make sure your URL matches the one that is in your Compass. So const URL MongoDB followed by the port number that you have just seen on your MongoDB Compass. One, 7. So this is my URL for the server. Earlier my URL used to look like this, but with the new update of MongoDB, now you can connect it with this URL by adding 0.0.0 for the local host. Now let's create a function. Using functions list databases and now const client equals to await Mongo client dot connect URL. So what we have done here is I have created an asynchronous function since connecting with MongoDB will be an asynchronous operation. So for that, it is essential to connect it using an async function. And here I have connected the URL using the Mongo client, which was my MongoDB object and .connect function. So to verify, I would like to log on the console that my database is connected to the server. It becomes very essential to close the server once it is used. Make it a habit of closing it. And I will call my function over here and we are done. So now what I need to do is just run this on the terminal. with node index.js. Once my operation is successful, I will get connected to the server on the console. And yes, we are successful with the connection. As you can see, they've got connected to the server. And this is my compass. As you can see, there are 5 databases. So to verify if we have connected to the right server or not, I would like to show you another function where we will list down all the databases present. Listing databases. So const admin db is equals to client.db. Client is this, connection admin. And const database list is equals to await admin db dot admin dot list databases. Now we will simply log all the databases that we've got. So const not const database list dot databases dot for each db and console dot log db dot name. So this database list, in this database list, we will get an array of all the databases for which we are using a for each to display each and every database name. Saving my file and running it. Node index.js, and this is returning cannot access database list. And now to verify that we are connected with the same database, I will show you the name of the databases that are present. So for that, I will write const admin db is equals to client.db and the name of the db, that is admin, and const database list is equals to await. Again, this will be an asynchronous operation, so we are using await admin db dot admin dot list databases. So in the database list, we will get an array with all the databases that are present on the server. Now to print the databases, I will simply use database list dot databases dot for each and db console dot log db dot name. So our function is ready to print all the databases. Again, make sure that you close the client after using it. And we'll simply go with index.js and node index.js. We will run and we'll see that here are all the databases admin, config, local, UDB and products that are present on the server. I will show you here admin, config, local, NewDB and products. These are the 5 databases. So this was all for the video, and you can simply connect your Node.js and MongoDB by referring to this tutorial and the doc here. So thank you, and please subscribe to our channel to get further more informations and such useful videos for your reference. Thank you.